back with another mukbang, because now that we
love eating and we're fat.
Eating, yes. So
We didn't barely discover
Believe
that.
it or
No,
not,
we didn't barely
believe it
discover
or not, we're on a diet.
yeah, now we're eating in and out now. So
Oh my god,
Let's begin.
I'm real fat. Dang.
so
Did somebody just fart?
no. No,
Oh.
like that.
You need to do it again. she did it again.
Whoa, watch the food.
Oh, guys, we have had a stressful day. Just kidding.
Shut up. We went to the beach. That's why I'm like wearing this. But
But she probably look beat to the gods.
no, not really. What are you talking about?
Yeah, she still look a little bit bad. Just kidding.
No, it's not beat, like, not in a good way.
Oh, usually
Not
when people say
me,
beat
but
to the god, that means a good thing.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Excuse my arm boots. What? I don't know why we did that.
I was gonna say something, but I was so true. It was silent for a long time.
try not to choke.
Oh, funny.
Hey, we were very
Like-
productive, and we woke up early and got dressed.
I didn't
Yeah.
really get the chance to wake up. Dayla wanted to come in the room by since I'm waking up in the morning about Freddie about music, so I didn't get to wake up mentally.
I stood in the middle and woke them all up with my speaker.
I was already low key awake already.
I know, and then my stupid Bluetooth mode is on thing woke you up more.
Yeah, that fully like woke me up because I was already kind of waking up, and then he was like Bluetooth mode.
I was like, darn you. And then we went to Santa Monica Pier. Can I say that?
Yeah.
And then
And we had fun. We were taking pictures at the beach. If you guys want to see our pictures, follow us on our separate accounts. Will be linked in the description down below. You guys can follow us on the Y'all Gang.
you talking about that guy who said, what did he say on the YouTube video?
Sure, no, I didn't.
The guy on the YouTube video showed us in the car, and he was talking super fast, and he said he said something.
Exactly. I'm trying to remember. His name's Lester.
But anyways, we did that. We were in West Hollywood. We went to some really nice areas and saw some really nice things. So we saw our future, basically, you know.
Yeah, over there we just saw our future and like
Mm-hmm.
everything that we're gonna get, basically.
That we're gonna have,
I saw her future husband that she refused to get out.
basically.
Because she was leaning
If
in.
you're watching this, she's here.
She was leaning in the seat like this.
Stop!
All if I do crook puff apple sauce and just be choking.
Guys, he was beautiful. He was beat to the gods.
He was a really cute guy.
He was beat. He wasn't beat to the gods. He was beat by the gods. As she said, somebody looks bad.
What do you mean good?
No, they look bad. You were beat by the gods, not beat to the gods. You were beat by them. Which time means that'll make you real ugly.
He was really cute and he was staring really hard in the car. And I looked. And I always say hi to people, like just random like people or whatever. And I said hi and I didn't think he was that's why I was focused. And I didn't think he was staring that hard. Because I said hi and I didn't think he could hear me because my window was rolled up. And he was like, how y'all doing?
And then we all started screaming like, I was supposed to say something, but I can't say that really. That's rude.
What, like cheerleaders?
Oh, I know.
Like what?
Be quiet.
Why you whisper to us how you got whisper to me?
She's
She was
closer.
screaming like Bill Cosby, like she was in Bill Cosby's closet. You 14 years?
I'm 14 years old.
Right. That took really had no mathematical I don't know. I don't sound smart saying that.
Obviously. Now that I think of it, that made it even more dumb. For 20 years.
And you're 14?
He said 16.
He said 20.
Really?
No? Regal?
Stop looking at me struggle. So guys, we haven't really been up to anything.
Yeah.
We suck at making videos. We're great YouTubers. We eat our lives away, and we go on Monkey about almost every other weekend.
So since we do that, you guys will be seeing it.
Oh my god, the Truman Show is on Netflix.
What is a streaming show?
Remember the story I told you guys earlier?
No.
Wow, thanks for
You're
listening.
so cute in this video. You're so cute in this video.
That's savage. You guys, I remember we sit around the kitchen and I said about how Truman, he wanted to figure out if there was more outside of his life.
Oh.
It's on Netflix.
That's crazy.
Shooting
in the girl.
Google was right there listening. Remember?
Heard you.
I'm
I'm sorry.
done. I'm done.
I'm eating real ugly because like I have a wire on the top of my mouth.
Nobody cares why you eat ugly.
It's kind of stopping me.
You look ugly. Nobody asked.
Hmm?
I'm just kidding.
She's gonna be your parents. Like, why are you mad? Cause I'm cute.
Wow, I know. I was looking at her face so close. I was literally gonna say that. I will fight you in front of y'all gang members. She trying to test me. We look.
Okay, you know what, guys? Let's be real.
If
If it was really gonna be real, I'd take my hat off.
What lace?
We're-
Oh, ready? We're gonna whip and sink.
We're gonna whip in sync, not light
Some-
sync.
I said in sync.
If you do, you took the
Alright, ready?
longest time to say
One.
it.
Reggie, get your hand ready. 1, 2, 3. No. What?
I think I whipped out of sync because you whipped.
I went to the restroom.
I forget a little bit.
Raj looks so stupid.
I couldn't laugh or I was really gonna choke and fart at the same time.
What?
Then like, go to the restroom. We'll block this part out.
Because we're supposed to go in sync, and so
I
I said 1, 2, 3, and it's
did.
gonna go me, Latanya, Brasha, and Brasha was going to sing that, and she was like,
Dilla, go pee. Dilla, you said in sync, so in sync means all together.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be like one
Synchronize
synchronize
or something.
yeah, like
Synchronize.
synchronized. Basically, it's the same thing.
Synchronize?
What?
Keep me that unintelligent part in. What did you just say?
I promise. I went to school. I go.
You still go to school. What are you talking about?